Hello guys, and welcome back to another Clean Me video. Today we're working on this Bentley Supersport, which is a very special edition of the Continental. This particular model has a 6-litre engine with 620 brake horsepower. Wow. If any of you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more detailing videos from Clean Me. Drop a like below. Let's get straight into it.
So thick.
By the way guys, if you'd like your car to be cleaned just as well as this car, visit cleanme.co.uk or download the Clean Me app today, and you can book a mobile car clean that will come to your location. You don't have to travel to a unit or travel to like a traditional car wash. We come to you, and we've got a nationwide marketplace of vetted professionals who are the best at their job, so you know that your car will always be taken care of. So again, if you'd like your car to be cleaned just like this, visit cleanme.co.uk or download the Clean Me app. Link is in the bio to do either of those options.
finished.
Early one.
Yeah.
His bike's like an imported
What's that? Paintwork on it's really good.
Huh?
The paintwork's really nice.
And now this wonderful Bentley Continental Supersport is looking nice and clean. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see any more videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let us know what car you'd like to see us clean next. And we'll see you in the next video. Oh, and don't forget to download the Clean Me app. Take care.